This is a review of the Cutluxe kitchen knife set. That's the set of 5. It comes with a 3.5-inch paring knife, a 5-inch utility knife, a 7-inch Santuka knife, an 8-inch chef knife, and then a 8-inch carving knife that we're going to be doing a unboxing review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys everything you get, and from there we are going to test these knives out. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so before we unbox this, I do want to say that the packaging itself is really beautiful and high quality. I just love everything about the packaging, and it comes with the magnetic, which is really the cool and fun part. So when you open it up, it makes a click sound, and that's how you open it. And then it's closed right over here, and then open. So we're gonna open this up and show you guys more in depth about it. And right over here, you can see how beautiful the packaging is. It comes with instructions if you want to learn more information about it. Right over here, it comes with a microfiber cloth as well too, a huge plus for them to provide this as well too. And now let's get to the knives themselves. So right over here. And look at that, it's just absolutely beautiful. I just love the high carbon design on this. It's really beautiful, stainless steel quality. And we're gonna pull all these out and show you guys more in depth about these knives. And pretty much for the 3.5-inch paring knife to all the way to right over here, we're gonna go more in depth about it. But just by looking at this, I just love the quality. Extremely, the packaging of this is really high quality as well too. So we're gonna pull all this out and show you guys more in depth about it. Okay, so here's more in depth about these 5 set of kitchen knives. So let's start from right over here. This is your 3.5-inch paring knife. This could be used to cut like apples and small fruits. Really high carbon stainless steel quality. Really beautiful how it is. Next, we got our 5-inch utility knife. You could use this for medium-sized cutting and something, medium-sized around your home for small vegetables or medium-sized things. Then right over here, when it comes to heavy-duty stuff, we got our 7-inch Santuka knife. So this could be used to cut like beef, chicken, something like heavy duty. I just love the quality of this. It's super sharp as well too, and really high quality. I just love how it also feels as well. Then right over here, we got our 8-inch chef knife. That's right over here. So when it comes time to do some heavy duty stuff, this right over here would definitely do the job. And you can see how beautiful it is. It has the engraved logo as well too. Then last but not least, we got our 8-inch carving knife, which is this right over here. You can see how beautiful this also is. When it comes to heavy duty stuff, you would definitely be using this as well too. When it comes to cutting like beef, chicken, goat, anything like that's heavy duty, you would definitely want to be using this. But other than that, I would definitely recommend these Cutluxe 5 set of knives because of the fact that, high carbon stainless steel, really beautiful how they are. You can see how the quality is really sharp as well too when it comes to cutting. And I would definitely recommend these 5 set of kitchen knives from Cutluxe if you're looking for a new set of knives for your kitchen. You're a chef, you do cook every single day. These knives right over here would definitely not disappoint you, and I would definitely recommend these 5 set of knives from Cutluxe.